Tam's going for the Angry Birds. Oh, let's get it. She got them all. Look at those birds. Done. Woo-wee. Killed him. Oh man. So far, Paige and her are tied at 50,000 after one. All right, Moab stepping up. Oh geez, so the 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
7 and 8.
All right, can she get all of them in one? Find out. Oh geez. Oh, it's a good shot. Sit. Oh, she's left a pig. A pig in a rock, it looks like.
A pig in a rock.
Pig in a rock.
The 7 pig.
Oh. Oh. How is she going to get this? Oh no. She's stepping up. That was a extreme close up of the face.
They got down to the 7 pig.
Oh, him's the boomerang one.
Oh wait, is that the boomerang one? No, that's not the boomerang
No,
one.
that's the one you tap and he's like, pew!
How, what does she do? Oh jeez. No! Bounce out! Oh!
I didn't throw it that damn fast.
What? Okay, what happens when you miss? Oh, it doesn't show anything? That's crap.
When he misses, show the screen.
We need the same one. Okay. Where do I have? Oh, I got the black bird.
That's the bomb bird. How do you miss anything with the bomb?
I'll show you.
I'll show you, he says. Not this time.
I'm the bomb bird. What a
Boom.
Woo! 50,000. Woo! Go Butchie.
trade. All right, Butch. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Okay. Get it. Did it? Okay, wait. So last time you went for just one pig, you got just that pig. Are you gonna try to do it again?
Yeah, I would.
He's gonna try to do it again.
Go for just that pig.
Yes, you need the 4. He's gonna just get it. Oh no. Oh, get it! Come on! Yeah! Woo! Just the 4. We got Butch the Butcher. Tammy's got laughing on top. All right, let's see. Okay, Tammy's stepping up. She's got Bomb Bird again. Oh, let's see. Can she get in there with the Black Widow Ghost? She's nuts! Look at that. She's actually insane. All right, Poab, we're gonna see. What ones do we have to get this time? Oh, that's a castle. You gotta get the 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. If you just get those pins.
You got the slanted T.
The slanted T. The backwards 7, it looks like.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
7, the bottom of it's a little broken.
You broke your leg.
Yeah,
I'm a broken 7.
sad.
All right, we're gonna see what happens. Oh, I forget she moves the other way.
Brookie.
Oh,
You need that
7.
she needs the 7. Oh wait, I forgot what bird it is. That's the yellow bird that you're going after first. That you're using first. Well done. Only one pig left.
Him's the Numi bird.
Oh,
That's a
big boy.
That's a fat bird right
You
there.
got big boy up.
Oh, you gonna let that pig laugh at you? It's laughing at you.
You got big boy up there.
Just letting that pig laugh at her. Oh, she's just gonna send it. Oh no! It's all right. This is gonna be rough. All right,
Oh, you got little guy.
perfect.
You got little guy.
I got little guy. No, I got little.
He's such an ass.
Those pigs don't stand a chance.
Him got the pigs. Ba, ba, da, da, da.
Oh, Butch, here we go. Here we go. He's not leaving any pig to survive this time.
Woo! Go, Moche!
Oh, yeah. Oh, Tam's got a booger on her ball.
Yeah, I got a black
Hey, Tam, what are you throwing? What are you throwing there?
I am throwing the ghost.
Black Widow Ghost. She loves this ball.
What?
All right, Tam. Oh, is she gonna send it? Oh, she got him. Tam, so far perfect through 3. USBC, certify this if she goes 300. All right, here we go. Stage 4.
Oh,
Oh,
that's a weird one.
oh, there's TNT on this one.
1, 2, 3, 7.
Oh, oh,
Oh,
oh.
the white Matilda.
3 pins equals a strike. Are you serious?
No.
1, 2, 3, 7, and 10.
Oh.
Shit.
Hey, who wants to go for just the 710? See if you can get those ones.
I can't hit them on a good day.
I'll get in there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's okay. I think that's the Matilda. I think she got the Matilda. Oh, she dropped an egg.
Oh yeah, Matilda poops on people.
Oh, wait, yeah, she struck anyway because it's the Matilda.
You only had to get 3.
So as long as you're not Richard Wright,
Okay,
you're
wait.
good.
I have to now just go for 3.
Oh, quit being a wuss.
So he's gonna try to go for the 7, 10, and the 3. Got him all.
3 at least.
I'm gonna do it, but I should throw so slow to just try to hit them.
Oh my
I'm not going.
God.
Just baby tap it. Just.
Richard Wright with a gutter ball. Richard Wright with a gutter ball.
You left the 7 pin.
Oh, Matilda dropping an egg again.
Dropping them egg bombs.
That's gross.
Bing.
Oh, damn, bam. Damn, bam. Oh, Black Widow. Damn, bam. Trademark.
Trademark.
Damn, gonna be perfect for 4. Here we go. Oh, get it. Come on, Tam.
Ah,
It's
you
okay.
still got it.
It's a strike on the board.
That's it.
Uh-oh. We forced Jason the ball. Look at
Bam,
Mr.
bam,
Jason.
bam, 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 bam.
All right, Poeb. Last one.
ball.
What are we doing? Fling your bird and smash those pigs.
It's actually a 7.
Oh, it is actually a 7 this time.
Look, it's not
Yeah,
broken.
it is. Yeah, but it's a short stock.
The short stock's me.
Missing 1 pin.
Oh, she just slapped me. Okay, so she walks to the left usually when she throws. So I'm going to go this way. If she walks in front of it, I'm going to cry.
Uh-oh.
Oh, she got all the piggies.
You got all the piggies.
I'm going to all the piggies.
All right, what's her
I missed
final
the- Oh,
score?
48.
Oh, is that the
Oh,
last
49.
Last prime, yeah.
Shit.
She's got, oh, okay, wait, your total score? Oh, it doesn't tell you. All right, here we go.
Oh, it tells you right here.
Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah. You leave 1 pin, you'll get 49,000. 2 pins, 48,000.
I'm losing, but I have been trying to get
Just the
little
pigs.
of business.
Oh, you suck! He left 3 of
Oh,
you.
you
You
need that.
suck!
No, you don't need that one. You need 2 of them. I think.
No, I need those 3 on that side.
Oh, you need the 3
Uh-huh.
pigs. Bam, bam.
This is how
He
you,
has to get the 3 up there.
this is how you make it interesting.
Woo! Got the 3 pigs.
I killed the pigs, but I left some.
Hey, you just killed the 3 little pigs. How does that make you feel?
Like I'm the big bad wolf. There's a pig roast. Oink oink.
All right, Jake. I'm gonna try this and leave the 1, 2, 4, 7.
Okay. If you leave the rail, I'll concede and I'll just give you the win.
There's one frame like you get a strike.
Oh my God, he might.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, missed
So
by
you-
a little bit.
Wait, did you? Oh, you missed the 3.
I still have to get one.
2. The 3-8.
Yeah, the 3-8.
Okay, take just the 3-5-8 off.
Because I'm trying to leave all 4 of them innocent bystanders.
He's such an ass.
AKA the bricks in the freaking boxes.
Oh no!
Oh, you took out 3 of the
Sorry.
innocent bystanders.
You got all the piggies.
You murderer.
You murderer.
You killed the bystanders, and I don't care. They're in my way. They're going down.
No.
Wow, how
You,
aggressive.
YouTube Terms of Service is gonna take this down.
No, the bystanders are in the way.
Oh.
They're going down.
The bricks.
Tammy gonna step up. Is she going to throw the perfect Angry Birds game? Well, we're gonna find out. Oh! Tammy is the undisputed, undefeated Angry Birds bowling champion.
I was even off step.
How's it feel?
When I was off step, and I was like,
Look at that, Tammy wins. Look at that ginormous bird on the right.
That's a chunk of a bird.
Hey.
Why did they get the little blue one?
They didn't ask me for my likeness on that big one. That was fun. Bye, guys. Bye.